Sleep training your baby doesn't have to be overwhelming. Here are the proven methods that actually work. First, let's talk about when to start. Most babies are ready for sleep training between 4 to 6 months old. Before this age, babies need frequent night feedings and aren't developmentally ready. Now, let's explore the most popular methods. Method 1, the Ferber method, also known as graduated extinction. Put your baby down drowsy but awake. Leave the room. If they cry, wait 3 minutes before checking. Then 5 minutes. Then 10. Each night, extend the intervals. Most babies learn within a week. Method 2, the chair method. Sit in a chair next to the crib until baby falls asleep. Each night, move the chair further away until you're out of the room. This is gentler but takes longer, usually 2 to 3 weeks. Method 3, pick up, put down. When baby cries, pick them up to calm them, then put them back down. Repeat until they fall asleep. This can be exhausting but works well for some babies. Method 4, bedtime fading. Start bedtime when baby is naturally sleepy. Gradually move bedtime earlier by 15 minutes every few nights. Now here are the essential tips for success. Tip 1, create a consistent bedtime routine. Bath, pajamas, feeding, book, song, bed. Same order every night. Tip 2, watch for sleep cues. Yawning, eye rubbing, fussiness. Put baby down before they're overtired. Tip 3, set up the perfect sleep environment. Dark room, white noise, comfortable temperature between 68 and 72 degrees. Tip 4, use a sleep sack instead of loose blankets. It's safer and becomes a sleep cue for your baby. Tip 5, be consistent. Pick one method and stick with it for at least 2 weeks before switching. Remember, every baby is different. What works for one family might not work for another. Be patient with yourself and your baby. Good sleep habits take time to develop. You've got this, parents.